You get on Turkish Airlines Lanvin perfumes. You get fuzzy socks with little chocolate chips in them, little rubber chocolate chips. And then you get a mask. And then you get a Lanvin hand cream. Who owns Lanvin now? Enter perfumes. Coconut oil and water. And 8,000 other ingredients. And you get a Colgate and a wooden toothbrush. And you also get lip balm. A Lanvin lip balm. Earplugs. And that's it. But you got a nice pouch that you can keep your stuff, which is handy. Because if you don't use these and you leave them in your bag, then the next flight will be confiscated.